guys, thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It's going to be a week in my life slash a fun little different video. I've never done anything like this before. I'm gonna be doing random acts of kindness for a week. I have a lot of friends on YouTube that are also creators, and I saw some of them doing the videos of waking up at 5 a.m. every day for a week and those sorts of challenges, and I was like, I want to do something like that, but I feel like I could make it to help and benefit others as well. So I decided I'm gonna do random acts of kindness for a week. I have it picked out, and I know everyone loves to watch my vlogs, so it's gonna be a little combination, a regular week in my life, but I'm also going to be doing some random acts of kindness in here as well. And the first one is here. I just got in the line at Starbucks and I ordered. Here's the clip of me freaking out because I didn't have the camera ready and I thought that no one was coming behind me and I wouldn't be able to do my kindness thing. I just got to Starbucks, but there's literally no one behind me. Hold on a second, I have to order. Anyways, I'm here in Margot. If you guys did not see my little life update video, I did buy a car and I just have had a crazy last like week and a half. Anyways, I'm about to pull up here soon to pay for the person behind me. There's people behind this person also, so I really hope that it starts a little train maybe of people being kind to each other. I have no idea. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it inspires you to do something kind for other people. Hi, how are you? Can I pay for the person behind me as well?
Yes, and the person behind you is $3.25.
Okay, cool.
You're all set.
Thank you so much. Have a good one. Mission accomplished, guys. I did it. You can't see me right now. I'm driving though. I ordered a car tripod, so that should be coming hopefully soon. But we did it. The first act of kindness. I don't want to hit anyone, so I'm gonna turn off the camera because I can't hold it and drive at the same time. Okay, this lighting is absolute trash, but I got my pink drink and I got my mom her favorite iced green tea latte. Okay, I just got home. I'm going to get started on everything I have to do. I'm gonna do a quick workout and then shower and just get myself ready for all the stuff I have to do. I have a lot of homework, and then I'm going to Hannah's house later tonight for The Bachelor. I'm really excited. We're gonna probably just like do homework and watch last week's episode and this week's episode because we all need to catch up. Today is Monday. Last week, again, as I talked about in my life update video, I haven't even filmed it, but I just know a lot of what I'm gonna say in it. Last week was quite a week with like things going on, so today is Monday and we'll see how this week goes. I'm leaving on Friday with my mom and my sister for one of Allie's cheer competitions. By the time you see this video, I'll be coming home or already home. We're going to Arizona. I'm so excited. I have not been on a plane in like over a year. Allie.
What?
When was the last time we went on a plane? Was it Hawaii?
Yeah.
Here's Alessandra, queen athlete. There she is. As usual, it's gonna be a busy week, but hopefully a good one, and I'm taking you with me. Time to work out. There's a film on this from the dirt construction. Look at my leggings, not the Lulus. Hello, that was supposed to be a transition, but I can't really maneuver the camera to the ceiling. I look like an actual egg right now. I just got out of the shower. My hair is still dry because I didn't wash it. I'm trying to extend a little bit more between washes so my hair will grow faster and so it will absorb the healthy oils, if that makes sense. Grace got me on this whole extending between washes kick trend. I don't even know what it is, but I've been doing it and I know it helps your hair get less oily over time, so I'll keep you updated on that. But a quick word from technically not our sponsor. They just sent me this and I feel like I should talk about it because it's a really cool concept. This is the black box. It is a subscription box. I've actually yet to open it. One of the co-founder's daughters watches my videos and had her mom reach out to me seeing if they could send me this as promotional thing. So this is the spring 2021 edition. Basically, they put together a box made of a whole bunch of products from black owned businesses. So I'm gonna link this down below in case you guys want to check it out. I'm excited to try all this stuff, and thank you so much to this company for sending me this. Okay, I really gotta get to work. I cleaned up some of my laundry and stuff after I took a shower, but now I need to do my homework. It's like, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:41 p.m.
So I am quite behind on my little schedule that I made for myself, but I'm gonna kick it into gear and start working. It's a little later. I started on my world history stuff, but I'm bringing my chemistry notes in here and my Britlit book. So I can just do all that because I probably, this is not in focus, am not coming back and can't even see me right now until like 10. We'll see, but I definitely have to get this stuff done. I prepped all my stuff for tomorrow. I got my bag ready. I haven't eaten anything, so I'm hoping Hannah will have something. I'm sure she will. She has the best pantry, but Margot and I are off. See you when we get there. I am here. look at what Hannah's mom did. I swear. What less would we expect?
Update.
Sydney, you're concerning me. We are going absolutely psychotic.
I don't know if this is like Miss Katie like content, but like.
Oh my gosh. We have been doing our homework this entire time. We have not watched a single second.
I haven't written one sentence
of The Bachelor. Sydney, you cannot drink coffee right now. Sydney, stop, Sydney.
Ooh, dark roast. I will bite you. I will bite you. The sweet nectar of the gods.
It's 10 p.m. and she's drinking this. I cannot believe the amount of which we have not done. Look at Curtis being so perfect. Aww.
I'll film this for you, Katie.
Oh, Katie, do you want to take a quick dance break?
No, Sydney, please, Sydney, no.
I'm not participating. Put it down so we can all dance. Ready? I'm gonna get copyrighted. We gotta go. We are here driving to school. Allie's driving right now. We've been switching off. I'm gonna turn this down so you can hear me. Driving to school. It's actually been really good. Anyway,
the beach.
So we went to the beach this weekend.
Made a note about that day.
You did. We had quite the eventful day on Saturday.
I know what time I'm gonna get there because my freaking license isn't on because you didn't want me to put it on.
Forget it. I'm drinking my little protein smoothie. Today is Wednesday. I did not vlog yesterday because I forgot my camera at school. So it was just a boring day anyways. Not much to vlog or talk about. I'm gonna try to pack tonight for this weekend.
So busy. I came back from Thursday because my uniform.
Busy. And my neighbor asked me to babysit and I feel bad I had to say no. I just have way too much going on. So that's all. We're gonna have an amazing day. It's gonna be great. I hope you all have an amazing day whenever you're watching this. Allie's literally chomping her gum. And
you're driving a Tesla, go the speed limit.
Have a good day, everyone. I'll see you in class. Whenever, I don't even know. Hello, I just got home. My hair has just like been slowly, Reba has been slowly falling out all day. I was not the best vlogger today. I've honestly been in kind of like a rut with vlogging. I took a little break last week. I feel like I did absolutely nothing for YouTube stuff or anything for social media. So I'm slowly trying to like get back into it, but I forgot what I was saying. I was saying I still something. My grandpa came in the room and we had a conversation about how there's snow on the mountains because it was raining. But bear with me, I'm still trying to get back into this because I just, even a little week kind of threw me off my rocker. So I'm home now. It is currently 1:30. Allie was like demanding that we left immediately because she has to go to cheer and she has to curl her hair for the pictures and everything, but I have to go help my grandpa do something, so 1 second. Hello, I look like a ghost in this lighting because if I move away, you can see everything, but since I'm right in front of the window, it focuses so much on me and everything behind me looks really dark. It is currently 2 o'clock on the dot. I'm gonna insert my schedule for the afternoon right here. I made it when I was in Spanish. I just like freshened up my makeup and fixed my hair just now and put on some real clothes that aren't from my school because I'm going to go right now to get an Aussible and then I'm just gonna sit in my car and film a little life update video / Q&A type thing. And then for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna be doing obviously my homework and I'm gonna pack tomorrow. So stay tuned for that part of this vlog, so I'll be vlogging that. Also, my act of kindness today is to just write letters to my friends just to thank them because I'm so grateful for everyone in my life. I have been blessed with such amazing friends, and if anyone's watching this video and I did not write you a letter, I'm very sorry. I'm gonna try to write as many as I can tonight, but we'll see. Hopefully it will make them happy and I'll give them to them at school. Give them the letters at school tomorrow. This thing keeps coming up here in front of me. Also, I ordered this off of Amazon. It's a tripod that will go and suction on my windshield of my car. That way if I'm ever vlogging and driving, I don't have to like put it up with a tripod or worry about it falling down, so that way it's safe. I am starving. I did not eat lunch and it's like 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna get the biggest size Aussible. I swear this place that is by my house that sells Aussibles, they recognized me last week. I literally go at least once or twice a week. I need to stop going. But today's not that day that I will stop going. All right, I'm in the car. Also, I want to show you guys, I got this at Target yesterday. Allie and I went after school. I need to lock my car 1 second. Allie and I went after school, and this is a car charger, so it has the USB and it has the cigarette lighter thing. And it was like $20-something, which was kind of annoying because I thought it would be a lot less expensive, but it was less than the Apple one. And this thing's like 1,000,000 miles long. 1 sec. I got it plugged in right here. And it's so perfect. It's like 1,000,000 miles long, as I was saying. And there's sand in here already from the beach. I've literally had this car for less than a week. Off to get Aussie. I got the goods. I'm gonna film this video. I'm just gonna be sitting here talking to a camera, but I will update you guys when I finish filming this and finish eating this. I'm so excited. Hey, I finished filming my video. I'm holding this big old thing full of trash so I have to throw away because I just got to Target because Allie called me when I was filming and was like, please, I have to get a spray tan for my competition. I need you to go to Target and get me sticky boobs. So I'm back again. I'll update you guys when I get out because I don't want to take the camera because I don't have a purse to put it in and my hands will not be free. So see you when I'm out. Gotta get the sticky boobs. Hello, I'm home. I just got a little drenched. Outside it started pouring rain again. But I just got this dress in the mail. This is the second one I've ordered for winter formal. We're having an actual dance, which I could like scream with excitement about. I cannot wait. But I ordered 2 dresses online. One blue one from Lucy in the Sky that came yesterday. And then this one from Hello Molly. They looked so cute online, but they looked like so much of a thicker fabric. And I don't want to put this on because I just like know I don't like the fabric. It's just very thin and see-through and this was like $70. I'm gonna put it on. Okay, this dress is not it. The straps are not adjustable. Literally see. Straight down my boobs, so I will not be wearing it. I think it's cute on the bottom of my brother's bathroom because it has better lighting. If it's not cute that you can see through it, very unfortunate to know for me. On to my 4th outfit change of the day. I have my long sleeve workout top on and my neck is all red because I was just like lying down and my neck was on the windowsill, but it looks like I literally have a rash. Anyways, my room is a disaster because I have a tendency to just get home from whatever I'm doing and throw everything everywhere. But I'm gonna clean it up and then start another makeup video. I'm 30 minutes behind my schedule right now, so I might just like push it back a whole hour. Not sure, but I got all this stuff at Target and I threw a bunch of other crap in here. Like this was in the car because I didn't want to carry it in the rain. More little razor inserts. Gum, of course, because I'm addicted. Deodorant for Allie. And these, I got these gel ones because I might have to use them for winter formal depending on the dress I get, but Allie needed both of them either way. I was like, one day I'll use whichever one she doesn't. Sorry, the camera is shaking. It is the next day. It's Thursday. The car tripod is a little shaky because I need to tighten it up. I'm on my way to cheer. It's a beautiful day. It's currently 6:50. I'm running a little behind as usual. Let's be honest, when am I not? This is cutting off my head a little bit, but I will try to update you guys soon. I don't love vlogging and driving just because I don't want to be distracted while I'm driving. This is not distracting, but it's just like I don't give my full attention to the road. So I will update you hopefully soon. Maybe my first class of the day. I really don't know. It's really like a wild card game of what I'll be able to vlog at school. So, see ya. Hi, we're in math. My math teacher did not give us homework because it's a 3-day weekend. We're so happy. Everyone just like, you could just hear the sigh of relief. We are so ecstatic.
What are you vlogging about this week?
Just my week. Lauren's my favorite. And we have like 15 minutes.
Guys, can I please show you Katie's bag that she keeps her little tabs in?
I keep this in
It's
a bag.
all crumpled up. It's so funny.
I know, it's just funny because I pull it out whenever. We have dance next. I just really don't feel like doing it.
I
Now
really
we're
like
shopping
that one,
for
but I don't
winter
know if
formal
it's too
dresses.
casual.
I don't. We go up to this one. I love this one. It's really pretty.
I like
it
that
might
one
be
too.
Scandy,
My mom said
though.
it looked like a nightgown.
My mom said mine literally looked like
Oh wait,
lingerie.
actually, no, she said this one looked like a nightgown. Yeah, I don't know if I want sleeves or not. Because I feel like it might look cute with sleeves.
This
But also,
we're being really productive, clearly. Hey, we're in ASB. We are making a bunch of stuff.
guys, we have a dilemma.
We have a dilemma for International Week next week.
No.
Or what? Oh, it's a boy dilemma. Look at the stash of crayons. It's absolutely insane. I'm just working on all the flags. Hello. I'm home. My hair is looking a little crazy. I need to brush it and get myself together because I have to leave in 30 minutes to go get dinner with my family. My uncle came in town like I was talking about earlier. He's here and we're gonna go get sushi on the lake. I cannot wait. It is currently 4:30. I haven't vlogged in a while because I came home. Actually, I stayed at school for like 30 minutes longer than I normally would because school. Why is there a spider? It's on the outside of my window, but it's crawling around. Whatever. I stayed at school for like an extra 30 minutes because I was just like chit-chatting with everyone because today's like Friday because I don't have school tomorrow. It worked out really well with the whole going to Allie's cheer competition because we're leaving tomorrow morning and she doesn't have wow, I'm losing it. We're leaving tomorrow morning and we don't have school tomorrow, so it's not like we're missing anything. Then I got home and I went on my phone for like the last 30 minutes, but I took a nap before that. It was like a 30-minute nap. Time has passed so fast and now it is 4:30, so I'm going at 5 to get dinner, and I was gonna try to do stuff and get some things done like in between school and going to dinner, but I just don't think that's gonna happen because I obviously have to get myself ready and change and everything. But I was talking about this earlier, my math teacher didn't give any homework. I pretty much finished everything for chemistry, so the only homework I have to do is for Britlit. I'm just gonna try to finish the book that we're reading, and then I'm gonna try to edit this video completely, and I have to pack and maybe work out and return the, actually I'm not gonna be able to return them because the freaking post office closes. The gist of this is I don't have to do as much as I thought I had to do, still quite a bit, but I don't have to worry about it so much. I'm just gonna try to get to bed early, except to wake up like 5 something a.m. tomorrow. I'm gonna go get myself together. I'll be right back. I'm ready. I have to get a jacket. I think I'm gonna try to steal Allie's. That's why I'm whispering. Guys, you're gonna be shocked when you hear what I'm about to say. This camera cannot focus for its life, but it's currently 9:20 p.m. and I literally have barely done anything. I packed a little bit of stuff. So much for my going to bed early. I was just like up talking to my parents and my uncle for so long. I'm literally eating goldfish. But I'm gonna pack and then try to get to bed. I did a little tiny bit of my Britlit homework. Haven't edited any of this video. I'll have to do that on the plane or in the hotel this weekend. But just the fact, like I got back from dinner. I'm gonna insert a picture of my food. It was so good. And a picture of the lake. Beautiful. But this is going to be a montage of me packing everything, coming up, and then I'm just going to crash because I have to be up at like 5:15. And I'm starting over the vlog again. I'm gonna vlog this weekend so I can have all that on video because it's just gonna be so much fun with my mom and my sister. I can't wait. And Amanda and Grace will be there, so stay tuned for all of that coming up soon. Thank you for watching this video. It was very choppy. It was a lot and just like kind of a crazy week, but a good one. Again, thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video, but watch the montage of me packing right now because I gotta hurry up.